At mahal ko po ang aking ex-husband. Ayoko rin saktan siya. And I understand he want a kid but I don't have. I cannot give kid and a real female. Ang inyong taga-subaybay #1 fan right in here in London, Ajan. Well, Ajan, hindi naman problema yan. Minsan, ang buhay ng tao is sadyang ganyan. Ang tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Asa taas, asa baba. Minsan kang lumuluhod, umihilata, at madapa. We would like to thank you. We got a pen. And of course, we got a pineapple. Pineapple pen. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Welcome back po sa ating Love Hotlines Echo. Siyempre bago ang lahat, kailangan mo natin mag-pause. Kasi katatapos lang ng ating live streaming, siyempre, paras pa rin ang ating attire. Ang aking pamburol, love hotline, mga pusong masugatan, mga puso naghiwalay. And of course, si Ajan, nakasama niya si parehas na Ajan. Yes, mga pusong nagtagumpay. And of course, mga pusong nasaktan at sinaktan at may mga plano mang-iwan. Malapit na ang Pasko. Siyempre, bagong lahat, sayaw ko. Pwede rin naman akong mag-cha-cha to the right, to the left, and of course, forward, backward, at pwede rin tayo pole dancing. Oh my God, sakit na ng aking barakangan. Isang ikot, at isang ikot pa, at isa pang sayaw. Makaya ko pala. And thank you. Asan na yung aking mga sulat-sulat? Naku, nandito pala. Yes, kailangan natin magsipag in among upon situation. Siyempre, wala tayong patumpik-tumpik pa. Very cool, Angel. Maraming salamat sa iyo. And of course, ang aking first letter ay binasa mo. Yes. Tawa ng tawa ang aking friend sa pag-live mo. Uy, nagbibenta ka pala ng mga produkto. Ano produkto ang binibenta mo? Nagbili at nag-shopping din ako. Well, current Angel, I'm in here in Europe. Siyempre, kilala mo si Adan at si Ajan. Nakakatawa ka. Yes, I was in here in Europe, current Angel, and of course, sa kasamang palad, I was divorced to my husband. And remember that I met before in coffee shop. Yes, I'd like to thank to him because nagkaroon ako ng British passport. If not, pupulit niya ako sa angkon sa Pilipinas. At alam mo naman kung gaano kahirap ang pagpapaalis sa ating pamasahe. Alam, mahirap. You know, that love so many splendid things. Dinivorce niya ako at nag-asawa siya ng tunay na Eva. Alam mo naman, Adan ako, hindi ko siya mabibigyan ng isang anak. Wala naman akong bahay bata. But nagsabi tulad ng sabi mo, magpapasalamat pa rin ako sa kanya. Because of him is naging matagumpay ako sa paghanap buhay at binigyan pa rin niya ako ng pera. At as of now, kahit na meron na siyang asawa at yung isang anak niya, sabi ko, kunin mo ako bilang isang sa anak mo. Ano ba yan? Kunin, nasasaktan din ako. Huwag ka masaktan, talagang ganun ang buhay. But the most important is, he helped you a lot. He still love you. Diba? Malay mo someday, you know, the journey and of course the destiny. Who knows, siya pa rin ang magiging soulmate mo someday. But you know what? Siya lang ang makakapagsabi kung babalik pa siya sa'yo. Yes, continue natin ang tulad mo. Yes, Kuya Angel. Yes, ang coffee shop. Meron na ang coffee shop ngayon. And I told you my parents, they was in here, my brother and sister at kanilang mga anak. Todo support naman si Adan sa akin. But, meron pang isang Adan na paligid-ligid sa akin. Minsan na rin kaming naglaro ng pen-pen. At madalas niyang nilalaro ang pen ni Sarah Pen. What can I do? I wanna marry him again for the second time around. Copycat, trying hard. Ay! Galing mo, te, ha? What can I do, Kuya Angel? At mahal ko po ang aking ex-husband. Ayoko rin saktan siya. And I understand you want a kid, but I don't have. I cannot give a kid and I'm a real female. Ang new taga-subaybay #1 fan right in here in London, Ajan. Well, Ajan, hindi naman problema yan. Minsan, ang buhay ng tao is sadyang ganyan. Ang tiwala sa isa't isa'y kailangan. Asa taas, asa baba. Minsan kang lumuluhod, humihilata, at padapa. We would like to thank to him. Yes, binigyan ka ng magandang buhay. And look at you now. You was in London with your family and financially, materially, love. He gave everything. Just try to understand. Make it friend. Huwag ka magtanim ng sama ng loob. Hangad ko ang iyong tagumpay. Why not, Coconut? Alam mo ba? Just try to open your heart for the second time around. Copycat. Hangad ko ang iyong tagumpay. Thank you. Sayaw, Kuya Angel. Well, ang ating second letter is Manong Kuya Angel, kumusta ka na? Nakikita ko ang nakikita ko si Kuya Angel, nagtaka ako, meron ka na rin Facebook page and congratulations sa yung Facebook page. I was so fun, it's really more fun in there kasi napakadami mong video na ina-upload, everything, and of course your lifestyle, it was in there. Napagaya na rin akong gumawa ng video and it was I Adore You. Kuya Angel, isa akong tunay na babae and I have 3 kids and of course my husband, he went to Saudi Arabia. Konti lang, sumusweldo lang siya ng 17,000 isang buwan. Isang contraction lang siya. It's hard, but I really worked hard too and I worked in the call center and of course, and I found out my husband, he got love affair to another husband. Huh? Yes, Kuya Angel, I'm worried about that. Yun ang sinabi sa akin ng isang kumpare niya. Tapos yung kumpare niya dumitiga sa akin. Ano ang gagawin ko? Baka pinaglalaro lang ako, sinusubukan lang. I have kids and of course right now is nag-apply ako papuntang Spain and of course soon later on I wanna go to Spain with my loving kids. Yes. How about my husband? Kailangan ko na ba siyang iwalayan or putulin ng communication because of the rumors that he sleep and he fall in love with the same husband. te. Wag naman, te. Just only like a rumors, you know what? And sometimes, malungkot dun sila. Kailangan din nila makipaglaro ng pen-pen, Pisarpen. They could choose you, the Amazon. How the Carabao, di ba, Tintin? Yes, game pilak ng mulaklak. Yes, sa tabi ng dagat. Ano ba yan? Yes, to the right, to the left, forward, backward. Pwede kang mag-cha-cha, bachata at magsayaw na kung ano-ano pa. Ano ba yan? Anong sinabi ko? No, huwag mo siyang hiwalayan. Just only like a rumors, and of course, you know what? If you believe that love sometimes plunder things, sometimes when we talk, the honesty is too much, and of course, grinding yung rasa home. Ojo kaluguranda ka, dahil sobra-sobra, misarala rin mata, hangad ko ang iyong tagumpay. Continue and congratulations, and of course, pagandaan mo ang paglipad mo sa bansang Europa. And of course, in Spain, almost like 2 years, and of course, you guys, you have the citizenship. And ang play mo na lang. Yes, pwede mo akong gawin katulong. Yes, marunong ako magluto. Siyempre, huwag kang mag-alala, babantayan ko ang asawa mo. Siyempre, kasama din siya pupunta sa Spain, di ba? That's a dream. That's your gift from God. And of course, deserve mo yun. Hanggang ko ayun tagumpay at maraming salamat sa iyong pagtiwala sa aking channel. And well, open po ang ating channel at ang email ko. Yes, just write down your telephone number, address, and signature, and drop in the drop boxes. And you can send me an email. You can send me some gift and everything, even love, you can send me. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. This is your current angel. Malapit na po ang Pasko. Maligaya pong Pasko sa inyong lahat. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below. Siyempre, Current Angel, sayaw. Paalam po.